Hi, my name is Hannah, and today I will be teaching you about the mouse. The mouse has a lot of parts of the ecosystem that are important to it. For example, it uses its teeth to chomp on food like nuts, acorns, insects, and seeds. What's really cool is it uses its ears to find its way around. It also uses its feet to scatter place to place to keep its way from predators. And what's even cooler is it sometimes leaps. It also uses its nose to sense food. A mouse thrives in its habitat because house, barns, and buildings have many materials that a mouse needs. For example, food and shelter. And a mouse lives in the wild because it has food that it needs. For example, acorns, insects, and nuts, and also berries. Living and non-living things help a mouse because non-living things like paper, grass, and leaves help it make a nest, as you can see in the picture. A mouse lives close to a house to get food because people buy food and the mice need food. A mouse has a lot of adaptations that help it survive. For example, it zigzags and leaps for safety. And it has large eyes, ears, long whiskers, and a sensitive nose which helps find food. It's so cool. A mouse has many predator and prey. It has prey like coyotes, snakes, hawks, owls, and tons more. It senses danger and may beat the ground to warn other mice, or it runs very, very fast. It doesn't really have many animals that it eats. It only really eats insects, berries, and more. A mouse camouflage helps it survive very well. It hides in straws to look for food, and it blends in with the dirt and leaves to hide from predators. It's so cool how it fits in the hole to protect itself. Nocturnal is important to a mouse because it provides cover from the other predators. It smells urine to find its way back in the dark, and it beats the ground to tell others that there is danger when it is dark out. A mouse is a consumer and an omnivore. It eats grain, nuts, fruit, and seeds. These foods are in the wild, so they get it in the wild. It's so cool, right? It mainly eats plants, but still eats insects. It will chew through wallpaper though. A mouse's important organisms is in the environment is it cleans up after humans because it uses paper for nests. It gives food to animals like owls, hawks, and more because it is a mouse. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.